class 5. Welcome to my math class. Today I am going to teach you a chapter which you have already done in your study material and which is also included in your half yearly syllabus. So let's start chapter number 4, fractions. Here your chapter number 4, fractions, exercise number 4.1. In exercise number 4.1, you can see there is some addition and subtractions. So let's do sum number 3. 1 by 11 plus 7 by 11 plus 2 by 11. You have to add all these three numbers. So here you can see that all the denominator is same. So the LCM is 11 and now you can add the numerator directly. So 1 plus 7 plus 2. So the answer is 10 by 11. Now see sum number 7. Sum number 7. 11 by 101 minus 1 by 101. Here also you can see that the denominator is same. So the LCM is 101 and here also you can minus the numerator directly. So it will be 11 minus 1 and the answer will be 10 by 101. Now come to exercise number 4.1b. Sum number 3. Here the fractions are 1 by 4, 1 by 5 and 1 by 3. As you can see that here all the denominator is not same. So you have to do the LCM first. So the LCM of 3, 4 and 5 will be 3 into 4 into 5. So it will be 60. Now 60 goes with 4 by 15. So 15 into 1 plus again 60 goes with 5 by 12. So it will be 12 into 1 plus again 60 goes with 3. So it will be 20 into 1. Now you have to add all those numerators. So it will be 47 by 60. Now come to sum number 8. Here you can see that this is the fraction is in whole mixed fraction. So it will be 5 whole 2 by 9 and 2 whole 1 by 12. So as the fraction is in mixed fraction, so you have to first transform it in improper fractions. So it will be 5 into 9 45 plus 2 47 by 9 and 12 into 2 24 plus 1 25 by 12. So now add all these two fractions. So the LCM of 9 and 12 will be 36. Now 36 goes with 9 by 4. So 47 into 4 plus again 36 goes with 12 by 3. So 25 into 3. So 47 into 4 188 plus 25 into 3 75. Now add the numerator. So it will be 188 plus 75 is equal to 263 by 36. Again the answer is in improper fractions. So you have to transform it into mixed fraction. So 263 by 36 you have to divide it 263 by 36. So goes with 7. It will be 252. So 11 is our remainder. So the answer will be 7 whole 11 by 36. Now come to sum number 11 of exercise number 4.1b. Here you can see there are three mixed fractions. 1 whole 3 by 12, 2 whole 2 by 16 and 3 whole 3 by 24. Now as the fractions are in mixed fractions, so you have to change it to improper fractions. So it will be 12 into 1 12 plus 3 15 by 12. 16 into 2 32 plus 2 34 by 16 and 24 into 3 plus 3. So 75 by 24. Now here the denominators are 12, 16, 24. So you have to first find out the LCM of 12, 16 and 24. So 12, 16 and 24 goes with 2. So it will be 6, 8, 12. Again 6, 8 and 12 goes with 2. So it will be 3, 4 and 6. And now again 4 and 6 goes with 2. So it will be 3, 2, 3. And the LCM is 144. So 144 is our LCM. Now 12 goes with 144 by 12. So 15 into 12. And 144 goes with 16 by 9. So it will be 34 into 9. And again 144 goes with 24 by 6. So it will be 75 into 6. Now if we add all the numerator, then we will get 936 by 144. Here also you can see that the answer is in improper fractions. So again you have to change it to mixed fraction. So let's divide 136 by 144. So it goes with 6. So 864 and the remainder is 72. So the answer will be 6 whole 72 by 144. Or in the answers, you can also divide it 144 by 72. So you can also write it like 6 whole 1 by 2. Now come to exercise 4.1c, sum number 7. Here also we have to subtract 5 by 9 from 5. So 5 minus 5 by 9, here there is nothing on the denominator of 5, so let it is 1. So 9, LCM will be 9 and 5 into 9 minus 5. So it will be 45 minus 5 by 9. So the answer will be 40 by 9. Now again it is in improper fractions, so transform it to mixed fractions and the answer will be 4 whole 4 by 9. Now come to sum number 10. 3 whole 1 by 2 minus 2 whole 1 by 4. Let's first change it to improper fractions. So it will be 3 into 2 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 2 minus 4 into 2 8 plus 1, it will be 9 by 4. Now LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So 7 into 2 minus 9 into 1. So the answer will be 5 by 4. If we change it to mixed fractions, then we will get 1 whole 1 by 4. Now come to D, simplifications. Sum number 5. 2 whole 2 by 3 minus 2 whole 1 by 6 plus 1 whole 5 by 12. First change it into improper fractions. So it will be 8 by 3 minus 13 by 6 plus 17 by 12. Now find out the LCM of 3, 6 and 12. As 3, 6 and 12 goes with 3, so it will be 1, 2 and 4. Now 2 and 4 goes with 2, so it will be 1, 1 and 2. So the LCM of 3, 6 and 12 is 12. Now 12 goes with 3 by 4, so 8 into 4, 32. Again 12 goes with 6 by 2, so 13 into 2, 26. And 12 goes with 12 by 1, so it will be 17. Now first we will do the additions. So 32 plus 17 minus 26. Now if we do the additions and the subtractions, then we will get 23 by 12. By change it in mixed fraction, you will get 1 whole 11 by 12. Now come to simplification number 6. 2 whole 1 by 2 minus 2 whole 3 by 4 plus 1 whole 5 by 8. First change all the mixed fractions into improper fractions. So it will be 5 by 2 minus 11 by 4 plus 13 by 8. Now the LCM of 2, 4 and 8, as you know that 2, 4, 8 will goes with 2 and we will start from the smallest. So we will get 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, 8. Now 2 and 4 will be goes with 2. So 1 will be 1 and 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4. So the LCM will be 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8. Now 8 goes with 2 by 4. So 5 into 4, 20. Again 8 goes with 4 by 2. So 11 into 2, 22. and 8 goes with 1 by 1, so it's 13. Now first we have to do the additions. So it will be 20 plus 13 and minus 22. 20 plus 13 will be 33, minus 22 it will be 11. So 11 by 8. If we change it into mixed fraction, then you will get 1 whole 3 by 8. So I think the other sums of 4.1 you can do. So let's start exercise number 4.2. Here you have to do some multiplications. So let's do sum number 8. 3 by 7 into 3. Here you can see that the 3 is in the numerator. So in denominator of 3 there will be a 1. So 3 into 3 it will be 9 and 7 as it is. So the answer is 9 by 7. Now sum number 15. 3 by 20 into 0. As you know, when we multiply 0 with any other number, the answer will be 0. Now see sum number 19. 4 by 7 into 35 rupee. So as I told you that here there is nothing on the denominator of 35. So you can let it as a 1. So now 35 goes with 7 by 5. So you can cut there 7, 5, 35. Now 5 into 4, it will be 20. So the answer will be 20 rupee. Don't forget to write down the rupee sign here. Now see sum number 20. 3 by 4 into 8 meters. Again 8 is on the numerator. So 4 goes with 8 by 2. So it will be 3 into 2, 6 meter. Now let's start exercise number 4.3. On this type of multiplications, first we have to try to cancel out the common factors. If we can't, then we will multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. See sum number 7 of exercise number 4.3a. 7 by 9 into 1 by 21. Here we can cancel out 7 with 21, so we will get 3. So the answer will be 1 by 27, because we are multiplying the numerator with numerator and the denominator with denominator. Now see sum number 11. 26 by 33 into 22 by 39. Here also we can cancel out 26 with 39 and 22 with 33. So 22 and 33 goes with 11 by 2 and 3, and 26 and 39 goes with 13 by 2 and 3. Now if we multiply the numerator with numerator, we will get 2 into 2, 4, and if we multiply 3 into 3, we will get 9. So the answer will be 4 by 9. Now see sum number 12. 15 by 49 into 14 by 45. Now 45 goes with 15 by 3, and 14 and 49 goes with 7 by 2 and 7. So if we multiply the numerators, then we will get 2, and if we multiply the denominator, we will get 7 into 3, 21. Now see B, 5. 15 by 1 whole 1 by 5. So 15 into 1 whole 1 by 5. So 15 into, first change the mixed fraction into improper fractions. So it will be 6 by 5. Now 15 goes with 5 by 3. So the answer will be 18. And sum number 6. 2 whole 1 by 7 by 4 by 5. So now first change the mixed fractions 2 whole 1 by 7 into 15 by 7 and multiply with 4 by 5. Now again here 15 goes with 5 by 3. So if we multiply the numerator, then we will get 4 into 3, 12 and 7. As 12 by 7 is a improper fractions, you have to change it to mixed fractions. So you will get 1 whole 5 by 7. Now see sum number 8. 3 whole 1 by 5 by 3 by 8. Now first change 3 whole 1 by 5 into improper fractions. So you will get 5 into 3 15 plus 1 16 by 5 into 3 by 8. Now 16 goes with 8 by 2, so we can cancel out by 2. Now if we multiply the numerator, then we will get 3 into 2 6 and by 5. Again we have to change it to mixed fractions. So we divided 6 by 5 and we will get 1 whole 1 by 5. Now sum number C. Find out 3 whole 1 by 5 of 2 whole 3 by 4. So first change the mixed fraction into improper fractions. So 3 whole 1 by 5 is equal to 3 into 5 15 plus 1 16 by 5. Of means multiplications, so you can give here multiplication signs. Now 4 into 2 is 8 plus 3 11, so 11 by 4. Now you can cancel out 16 by 4, you will get 4. Now if you multiply the numerator 11 into 4, then you will get 44 and by 5. Now divided 44 by 5, 44 goes with 5 with 8, so 40 and the remainder is 4. So the answer will be 8 whole 4 by 5. Now come to sum number 4. 2 whole 1 by 15 of 2 whole 1 by 5. Now first change the mixed fractions into improper fractions. So it will be 31 by 15 into 5 into 2 10 plus 1 11 by 5. Now here we can't cancel out any of these digits. So we have to multiply the numerator into numerator and the denominator into denominator. So you have to multiply 31 into 11. There you will get 341, and you have to multiply 15 into 5. You will get 75. Now as 341 by 75 is a improper fractions, so you have to change it to mixed fractions. So we will divide 341 by 75. 341 goes with 75 by 4. Then you will get 300 and the remainder is 41. So the answer will be 4 whole 41 by 75. So students, I am ending here for today. For the next exercise, we will discuss in our next class.